The Tecnaria connection system for steel concrete composite floors consists of a special shear connector, which is made up of a steel stem with a head and a riveted plate, with 2 holes for the nails. The connector is fixed to the steel structure by these special high-strength nails, which penetrate the steel thanks to the power provided by this Spit P560 powder-actuated nail gun fitted with a special adapter. The nail is fired by these cartridge discs that contain gunpowder, which provide the necessary propulsion to drive the nails into the steel beam. There are 4 levels of cartridge power. Let's see how to put the nail gun together. The nail gun arrives on the job site dismantled, just like this, inside a sturdy case. You must follow the safety instructions. When not in use, always check that there are no cartridges inside the nail gun. The instructions found inside the case must be read carefully before use. This sheet explains how to insert the load, how to insert the nail, and how to fasten the connector, as well as some general maintenance instructions. The case also contains the tools needed to routinely clean the nail gun. It is vital to always read and follow the safety instructions, as well as verify that the connector has actually been fired. All the instructions can be found inside the case. Now, let's see how to assemble the nail gun. There's one part that we call the body, which does not require maintenance, and another part that is the end piece, which is normally dismantled and cleaned. Simply screw the 2 parts together until you hear the click. Now, press this button to open the load compartment, arm the barrel forward, and insert the cartridge disc like this. Close the load compartment, and with the barrel as far forward as it will go, insert the nail into the barrel. The nail will be attracted to the magnet, which will hold it in position inside the barrel. The nail gun is now ready to fire. As you can see, the end of the base plate matches the shape of the nail gun and fits perfectly. 2 nails are fired for each connector. Personal protective equipment like gloves, safety goggles, and ear protectors must always be worn. Before putting the nail gun away after each use, always remove the loads and unscrew the end piece.